In this video, we are going to learn how to create a BIP report which is based on a data model. That too, the data model is will be sourcing from the BI analysis. So let me go to the tools, reports and analytics. This will take me to the reports analytics landing page. Now I'm going to click the browse catalog here, and this is going to take me to the catalog homepage. So now here in the catalog homepage, basically we are going to use one of the existing BI analysis. I'll paste the link of the YouTube video where we have created one of the basic BI analysis. You can use that analysis as source for while creating the data model in this activity. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the BI analysis, which is nothing but this one which you see here in this folder. So I'm going to use this basic BI analysis which you see here. This one way I'm going to use it out. Okay, so let me just go and create the data model. I'm going to click plus here. If you see here, while creating the data set, it's asking me what is from where you would like to have the source from. Like I'm going to use the analysis here. The moment you click analysis, it will ask you to save the name actually. So I will put DM dataset. It's a dataset, right? So DS based on OBI OTBI analysis. OTBI because it's our Oracle Transaction Business Intelligence module analysis. Okay. Here I'm going to select the analysis from this one. So I'm going to search from the shared folders. So under shared folder, once you hover your mouse to the here, you will see that basic analysis. Here I'm going to choose a basic analysis. Okay, I did the choose. This is optional, we no need to mention anything. I'm going to click OK. Now if you see, you got the column 0, column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4. This is not easy to observe and understand what column is what actually. So in order to do a couple of things in order to make it more meaningful, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the structure here. So once you see the structure, you will see the XML tag name as well as the business view display name here. So here in the structure, what I'm going to do is I'm going to rename each and every tag name here with easily readable way. So org name I'm going to keep. Next I'm going to keep manager name, location name, head count. I'm going to keep FTE. So now we are done with our name changes. You can come to the data and you can click the view data here. What this is going to do is this is going to save our settings and it's going to run the analysis now. The timeout setting which we had seen while choosing the analysis will help if it's very expensive. In case if the analysis takes a lot of time, if based on the timeout, it will show information here. Okay, now if you can see it in the tabular view, you can see the full analysis details. Whatever the analysis output gives, everything has come up here actually now. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to save this data model. We are still in the data model, which is not yet saved. So let's save the data model. So I'm going to save the data model under the shared folders. Here BIP. So here I'm going to save this data model. The data model name is nothing but DM based on analysis, OTBI analysis. Okay, so I'm clicking OK. Now I am going to click save as sample data so that everything will get completed from the data model point of view. Okay, now we can create the report, and we can simply select this the list of columns whichever we would like to show in a report, and we'll just complete that wizard. So this we had seen a lot of times in the same playlist in the past videos, so I'm going to go very fast here. So by default the data model will be shown here. I'm just going to select this report editor and finish. This will take me to the report editor with the editor section, where I'm going to pull out the details. So it's going to ask me to save the layout name. So layout name is BIP layout based on OTBI. The layout is being saved. You can give any name for your layout so that it will be easy for you to remember. So I'm giving a blank template here, landscape template, in which we are going to just move the columns whichever we'd like to have. It's getting loaded now. Okay, so now I'm going to insert a data table, or we can even do a chart also, because we have a measure here. So better we'll do a chart. I'm going to delete this. I'm going to insert a chart. The chart I'm going to keep for every department. Let's see what is the head count actually. So I'm going to drop the series here, which is department, and I'm going to have the FTE, which is the values. Let's have the head count also as another measure. So we have two measures now in our chart. We can increase the 3D effect. I'm going to expand this chart so that it look bigger. Okay, I'm going to click OK. Basically you can have it in different ways also. So layout based on analysis. So here if you see, in this data model we don't have any SQL queries, or we don't have any subject areas. Instead we had sourced the OTBI analysis here. So I'm clicking done here. Now you will see the layout here. So I am going to click view report so that our chart will get the data from the OTBI analysis results, and it will show the complete output here for us, which we can export it to an Excel sheet or to an PDF document or to a PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so for different departments you had seen the FT as well as head count. Alright, thanks for watching this video.